Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your patent application documents in Docx. First, understand that the USPTO now fully supports Docx submissions, which can significantly simplify your application process. This modern approach helps reduce common errors and speeds up examination. Make sure your document adheres to the specific guidelines provided by the Patent Office for optimal processing. Next, prepare your Docx document carefully. Use a standard word processor like Microsoft Word to create your file. It's crucial to remove any hidden text, comments, or track changes before saving. Also, remember to embed all fonts within your document. This step is vital to ensure your application appears exactly as intended when viewed by the Patent Office, preventing any display issues. When formatting, consistency is key. Choose a clear, readable font like Times New Roman or Arial and use it throughout your entire document. Ensure your line spacing is either 1, 5, or double-spaced for readability. Additionally, number all pages consecutively, beginning with the first page of your application. These details help maintain a professional and easily reviewable submission. Finally, upload your prepared Docx file using the USPTO EFS web system. After uploading, the system will convert your document to a PDF for review. Carefully examine this converted PDF to confirm that everything appears accurate and as intended. If any validation errors occur, address them promptly before proceeding with your final submission. This ensures a smooth and successful filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.